स्टार्ट करें? Write all the definitions once. Chalo. I wrote them yesterday at the beginning. Once again, before we start the class, write all the definitions. Bachcho log, come on. Write all the definitions. Write all the definitions. Shivai, A is equal to A transpose, symmetric, minus A transpose, skew symmetric, or बोलो जी, A square is equal to A, क्या ये? What is this, man? A square is equal to A. What's the matrix called? Idempotent matrix.
Idempotent matrix.
A square is equal to I. क्या ये?
Involuntary matrix.
Involuntary. Involuntary. और क्या था? A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. Orthogonal matrix. और A power n null matrix. Nilpotent. और कुछ भूल गए? नो. कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज लिखो, कुछ रिमार्क्स लिखो, कंक्लूजन्स लिखो. How are diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix?
0.
Or application, trace of an skew symmetric matrix. How are diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix?
0.
The trace.
0.
Or if A is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 is an orthogonal matrix, then tell me what happens.
R1 bar dot R2 bar
इसका expansion लिखो जी.
R2 bar dot R3 bar.
Write its expansion. Write its expansion. चलो. Write its expansion. Come on. चलो चलो. चलो चलो. Shall I?
Done, sir.
Shall I? What happens when? Huh? A1
A1
B,
B1 plus A2 B2
A2 B2,
plus A3 B3.
A3 B3 is equal to. बोलो.
B1 C1 plus
B2
B2
C2,
C2 plus B3 C3.
B3 C3 is equal to. हाँ.
A1 C1 plus A2
A1
C2
C1, A2 C2,
A3
A3
C3.
equals to 0.
sorry, is equal to 0. And बोलो.
A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square.
Equal to 1.
A2 square plus A3 square is equal to 1 equal to B1
B1
square
square
plus
square
B2
plus
square
B2
plus
square
B3
plus
square equal to C1 square plus C2 square plus C3 square. और एक प्रॉपर्टी क्या था? ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए. कल करे थे प्रॉब्लम. ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए, बी ए इज इक्वल टू बी. व्हाट आर ए एंड बी मन? व्हाट आर ए एंड बी मन? ए एंड बी आर कौन से मैट्रिसेस? आइडेम्पोटेंट. आइडेम्पोटेंट. ट्रांसपोज एंड क्या बोलते हैं उसको? ट्रेस के प्रॉपर्टीज लिखो. ट्रेस के प्रॉपर्टीज. ट्रेस ऑफ लैम्डा ए,
lambda trace of it.
ट्रेस ऑफ ए and trace of A transpose relation. Next to trace का properties पूरे लिखेंगे. Trace of A plus or minus B and trace of AB. Similarly, transpose का properties. A transpose whole transpose lambda A whole transpose A plus or minus B whole transpose AB whole transpose. Come on, fill the gaps. Fill the gaps, बच्चे लोग fast. जल्दी. All these things have been discussed, man. चलो चलो.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Good. What will be the answer one? What is trace of lambda A?
Lambda trace of A.
Lambda.
Lambda times trace of A. Trace of A plus or
Trace
minus
of A
B.
plus or minus trace of B.
Minus trace of B.
Plus or minus trace of B. Trace of AB
Trace of
not
A plus
equal
Trace
to
of A.
trace
Trace
of
of
A
B.
into trace of B. बच्चे लोग A transpose whole transpose
A.
lambda times A transpose
lambda A
Lambda
transpose.
lambda A transpose A
Yeah.
transpose plus or minus B transpose.
B
Here
transpose A
B
transpose.
transpose A transpose. होमवर्क में ये A is of order n cross m plus 5. B is of order (13 minus m cross 12 minus n). AB and BA exist. M is equal to dash, N is equal to dash. बच्चे लोग I repeat. This is the order of matrix A. This is the order of matrix B. A, B and BA exist. Then M is equal to dash, N is equal to dash.
Yes, sir.
This is there in the
Yes, I
homework
did,
I
sir.
gave, man.
6 and 4.
होमवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है ये.
Okay. Four and six.
What is A's order? N cross
Plus 5.
N plus 5 into what's the order of B?
13 minus
13 minus M cross
12 minus 8.
12 minus N. When will AB exist? These two are
Equal
equal.
to 13 minus 8.
So M plus 5 is equal to 13 minus M. क्या देगा? 2M is equal to 13 minus 5 is how much, man?
8.
M is equal to 4.
4.
और एक
BA.
B. B is of what order, man?
13 minus
13 minus M cross 12 minus
12
N.
minus 8.
What is A का order, man? A का order, man? N
N
cross
cross M plus 5.
N cross M plus.
these two must be equal. है ना? So 12 minus N is equal to N. 2N is equal to 12. N का value, man? 6.
Sir,
क्या हुआ?
in the homework you should give, there is a question which I didn't understand. Can you please solve it?
What is?
Sir, I didn't understand the question, sir.
In the?
In the homework which you gave.
This
No,
is the
sir,
problem,
another
no?
one.
What is that number?
1 minute, sir.
Without telling the number, what do you mean by? Can you explain, sir?
Sir, 12th one, sir. Find number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 having elements 0 and 1.
You have to wait for some more time because you should know some permutation combination.
Okay, sir.
You have to wait for some more time. Finished?
Yes, sir.
A is equal to then A is item, invol, ortho, C ortho, D none.
Sir, idempotent matrix. Sir, option A.
हेलो,
A option.
आइडेंपोटेंट बोला तो
A square is equals
Square
to
equal to
A.
A.
इनवॉल्यूटरी बोला तो
A square is equals to I.
Equal to I.
ऑर्थोगोनल बोले तो
A transpose to A
I.
transpose A.
जनरली आंसर इसमें नहीं देता, आंसर विल बी वन ऑफ द थ्री. थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस यूज करो. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट एंट्री ऑफ ए?
2.
2.
फर्स्ट एंट्री ऑफ आई? वी आर नॉट ट्रांसपोजिंग. फाइंड आउट ए स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज ए स्क्वायर? 2 minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. First row with first column. What does it gives you? 4 plus 2 minus 4. What is 4 plus 2 minus 4?
Plus minus 4 2.
4 plus 2 minus 4 क्या है?
2.
अब बाकी का करने की जरूरत है? नो, डोंट डू. आंसर इज ये. थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस यूज करो. यूज कॉमन सेंस. यूज ऑप्शंस. बच्चे लोग, यूज ऑप्शंस, यूज कॉमन सेंस, यूज सच ट्रिक्स, such a simple tricks. They cannot be taught, they have to be cultivated. थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस यूज करो, आसान है. Don't multiply complete a square. You are writing an MCQ exam. Nobody is asking you procedure. Agreed? All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this technique? Understood the method?
Yes, sir.
You need not do entire multiplication. एक दो मैक्सिमम चेक फॉर ए रो, एक रो चेक कर लो. कुछ डाउट है और एक एलिमेंट चेक करेंगे. देखो बता रहा हूं. फर्स्ट रो विद सेकंड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो विद सेकंड कॉलम क्या देगा? 2 into -2 -4 -2 into 3 -6 -4 into -2 +8 क्या देगा man?
-2.
What does it gives you man? -2. So this is -2. So which it is satisfying? Idempotent, involutory? Which it is satisfying? Idempotent. So answer is A, option A. Kashmiri east to mechanical east to north east కానీ కశ్మీర్ లో కానీ వచ్చేసినట్టుంది.
Zero.
So null matrix.
Null matrix.
You should not say zero.
Null matrix, sir.
ఆ తర్వాత ఫోన్ But chalo, what do you mean by A is involutory?
A square is equals to I.
What do you mean by involutory matrix? What do you mean involutory matrix, man?
Sir, A square
A
equal
square
to
is
I.
equal to A.
Sir, A square equal to I, no.
Oh, involutory, sorry, not idempotent. and hence hence I minus a into I plus a. बच्चे लोग बोलना, बच्चे लोग बोलना.
I
What is
is
I
equals to a
minus
square.
I
A
square?
square.
बच्चे लोग second one plus IA. Next one man AI minus a square. What does it gives you? I square is I. IA is A. AI is A. A square is A. Sorry, A square is I.
I.
So what happens when I and I cancel, A and A cancel? You should not write equal to 0. What is this? Null matrix. Simple problems, man. A is idempotent. A plus B is equal to I. A is idem. Option A. Equal. Orthogonal. First question. Second. Third. Simple problems, man. Chalo. बच्चे लोग वेटिंग.
Sir, involuntary.
Idempotent matrix. B.
क्या की बाबा? I should also check. बोलो. What is your B?
B. I minus A.
I minus
Idempotent.
B is I minus A. What is B square man?
I square minus IA minus AI plus I square.
I minus A into I minus A. What does it gives you? I square. बच्चे लोग बोलो. Minus AI. Minus AI. correct है? Minus AI. Minus AI. Third term man.
A square.
Sir, minus IA.
Okay.
Yes sir. Minus II then minus AI.
Correct है? Now am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what does it give you? I square is I. IA is IA.
A.
A. AI.
A.
Okay.
A
A.
square.
A.
I
I
minus
minus
A.
A.
One A will cancel off. I
B.
minus A is again B.
B.
B square is equal to B. So B is idempotent matrix. What is AB?
Idempotent.
Huh? Null matrix. Null matrix. A into. Bachalog, what is your B? Bachalog, what is your B?
I minus A.
What is this? AI minus A square. AI is A. A square is A. Why A square is A? Because A is idempotent. You should not write 0. What does 0 stands for? Similarly, do the third one. चलो जबरदस्त प्रॉब्लम. Zabardast problem. I want at least 10 students from the class to get the answer. Start.
Sir, symmetric matrix. Yes, sir.
Geosymmetric matrix. What, sir? That's geosymmetric matrix.
Symmetric matrix.
I think I got a call.
That's geosymmetric matrix. That's geosymmetric matrix.
Answer is skew symmetric matrix.
Geosymmetric matrix.
How many got the answer, man? Naam bolo.
Sir, Muhammad Shoaib, Karimnagar.
करीमनगर आंसर और कोई? करीमनगर क्या दिया आंसर और कोई? करीमनगर आंसर और कोई? Look here. Pay attention to this one. A minus half I is orthogonal matrix. Means what? A minus half I. What do you mean by orthogonal matrix? Am I correct? बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So A minus half I into A minus half I whole transpose is equal to I. Tell me what is this? A minus half I. What is A minus half I whole transpose?
A transpose minus half I transpose.
I transpose is I only. Multiply. क्या देगा? क्या देगा? A into A transpose. Multiply these two. Half AI. Multiply these two. Half IA transpose. Last one. Plus
1 by 4i.
1 by 4 I square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What does this mean? A
I.
transpose. AI is A. IA transpose is A transpose. What I can take common? Half common क्या देगा?
A plus A
I
transpose.
minus 1 by
A
4
minus
I.
1
What
by
is
4 I. 3 by 4 I.
similarly second one? बच्चे लोग please do this on your own. I am waiting. Do this on your own. Same method. बच्चे लोग I am waiting. Do this on your own. ఇప్పుడు ఎంఆర్ఐలు ఎంఆర్ఐలు ఏమన్నా మరి ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఏంటి టాబ్లెట్లు వేసుకోవడానికి భయం ఉండాలి, మందులు వేసుకోవడానికి నెక్స్ట్ बच्चों लोग सेकंड वन करें. बच्चों लोग सेकंड वन करें. वेट कर रहा हूं. वेट कर रहा हूं. वेटिंग हो गया. A प्लस हाफ आई इंटू A प्लस हाफ आई का ट्रांसपोज is equal to I. Same thing will happen, man.
Sir.
What will I get? A plus half I into बोलो A transpose plus half I
transpose
is equal to I. मल्टीप्लाई करो क्या आएगा? ये
transpose plus half
डायरेक्टली
Yes.
plus half of,
A plus A transpose.
what will I get, man?
3 by 4i.
3 by 4 I.
What will I get, man? Will be 3 by 4i.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now what you should do?
Equate both.
Add them enough, no? Adding these two will cancel off.
Yes, sir.
Don't add, man. Subtract. Hello, subtract.
Subtraction, sir.
These two will become minus. These two will become 0. What does 1 minus 2 gives? What does 1 minus 2 gives? Shall I write one below the other? Then we'll do 2 minus 1. What is 2? You should not write so many steps, man. You are writing competitive exam. You are not writing board exam. Directly you should do A transpose half of when you subtract, these two will cancel off. These two will cancel off. These two will become plus
2
half
into
plus
A
half
plus A transpose.
full half of
A plus A transpose is 0.
so A plus A transpose is null matrix. A is equal to minus A transpose. So A is skew symmetric.
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
I'm also done with the chapter now. Bolo. I should move on to next one. We move on to second part. I thought I would start this on Monday. लेकिन why waste time? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Time is
Yes, sir.
precious.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Time is precious. क्यों time waste करना? चलो आज ही चला देंगे. minor, cofactor, determinant. तीनों डिफाइन कर देंगे so that determinant of 3 cross 3 will define on Monday. एक छोटा डेफिनेशन है, पढ़ लेंगे. हाँ. That away to define determinant, I need to define two words called minor and cofactor. First, what's the order? What is the order of this matrix, man? Cross 1. Then det of A denoted by determinant A. Remember, this is not modulus of A, where det of A or stands for, what it stands for?
Determinant of A.
Determinant of A. What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? If A is equal to, what is the order of this matrix?
1 cross 1.
What is the order of this matrix? 1 cross 1. What is det A? Det A. This is not modulus. 3. बच्चे लोग, A is equal to, what's the order? 1 cross 1. What is det of A? Det of A. Am I correct? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you. All of you, is this clear? 1 cross 1 का determinant जो भी matrix है, that only you will get. Whatever is the matrix, same thing you get. Matrix is 3, I obtained 3. Matrix is -5, I obtained -5. Write this.
Done, sir.
All of you done?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
चलो 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 fast. I thought I will start this on Monday. 15 मिनट है, क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करना बेकार में?
Done, sir.
Look here. Correct point. Very important. Pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. I define what is called minor, minor, minor of an element. wherever element is there, I want a minor of A. Wherever A is located, delete that row, delete that column.
D.
Minor of A I want. All of you, I repeat, wherever element is located, delete that row, delete that column. Wherever element is located, delete that row, delete that column. You obtain a matrix. Whose matrix का determinant. Whatever element whose minor you are interested, that particular row, that particular column, delete kar do. That means if it is a n cross n matrix, and if you are finding minor of an element, how many rows, how many columns you are deleting? One row,
One.
one column.
One floor.
One row, one column.
One call.
One row, one column. So n rows में से how many rows कट गए?
One.
-1.
n columns में से how many columns कट गए?
One.
One column कट गया. So what is the matrix remaining?
N minus 1 cross N minus 1.
N-1.
N-1 cross.
Cross N-1.
इसका हमें क्या चाहिए? इस माइनर को when multiplied by -1 whole power I plus j. What does this I plus j? I and j stands for location. Its location. This is called cofactor. बच्चे लोग फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. All of you pay attention. Listen to this carefully. Please look at your screens. First minor of an element. You have a matrix. Matrix का एक element का minor चाहिए. Whatever element whose minor you are looking at, delete that row, delete that column. Delete that row, delete that column. You obtain a matrix. For that matrix, what you should pick up? Determinant. For that matrix, what you should pick up? Determinant. What is it called? Minor. Now, multiply that minor by -1 whole power I plus j. What do I and j stands for? The point where element is located, the place where element is situated, the place where element is located. That will give you what is called cofactor. You take a row, multiply by cofactors, add them. What does it gives you? Determinant. What all I spoke, I put theoretically. Do not write. Listen here. All of you. Pay attention. Four. I am looking at A is equal to A, B, C, D. What is minor of A? Where is A located? First row, first column. Delete first row, first column. What is the matrix remaining?
D.
इसका क्या लेना? Determinant लेना. What is that equals to? What is this symbol stands for? This is not modulus symbol.
Determinant.
बच्चे लोग, this is not modulus symbol. It's a symbol of determinant. Next. Minor of B. Wherever B located, delete that row, delete that column, delete that row, delete that column. What is the matrix remaining? Matrix remaining. Matrix
C.
remaining. C. उसका क्या लेना?
Determinant.
Determinant. What is it equal to? C. Next. Cofactor of C. What do you mean by cofactor? What do you mean by cofactor? I'm writing here. Or I'll write the definition first. I'll write the definition first. Cofactor of Aij. What is it equal to? -1 whole power I plus j into minor of Aij. बच्चे लोग बोलो, बच्चे लोग बोलो, बच्चे लोग बोलो. What is cofactor of C? Where is C located? Where is C located? Where is C located? Where is C situated? Where is C
2 1.
situated? Where is C situated? Second row, first column. -1 whole power below 2 plus 1 into minor of C. What is minor of C? Delete this row, delete
B.
this column. Delete this row, delete this column. What remains? Matrix called B. इस matrix का हमें क्या लेना? What is -1 whole power 2 plus 1? -1. Determinant of B is B multiplied by negative sign. Next. Cofactor of D. What's the position of D? What's the position of D? What's the position of D? -1 whole power. Position of D. बोलो man. 2 plus 2. Wherever D located, delete the row, delete the column. Delete the row, delete the column. Determinant of A. This is plus. This is A. This is clear. Minor cofactor.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I define. Pay attention. Pay attention. 5. That is sum of product of elements of a row with the corresponding what? Cofactors. Pay attention. Do not write. Listen to this. A is equal to. हमें क्या चाहिए? Determinant of A. That of A. What is this? A into
AD plus BC.
cofactor of A plus बोलो B into cofactor of B.
Cofactor of
A into what's the cofactor of A we got? Cofactor of A we got B plus B into cofactor of B. Cofactor of sorry we wrote
B.
minus A into what is cofactor of A? Cofactor of A -1 whole power 1 plus 1. Cofactor of A delete this. Ah,
D.
determinant of D plus B into minus 1 whole power. Position of B 1
1
plus
plus 2.
into determinant of matrix called C.
3
This is AD
minus BC.
minus. This is how A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. What is determinant?
Minus 1.
So
Minus 2.
cos
minus
theta
2,
minus sin theta.
minus 2.
Sin theta cos theta. Come on, give me data.
1.
Kabilis,
1.
any doubts, any questions? I think it is very clear. It
Yes, sir.
should
Clear,
be.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Sir, minus 2 and 1.
Sir, minus 2 and 1.
Minus 2 and 1.
This we spoke determinant of here. I spoke about determinant of here. I spoke about determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix. Later we will speak about later money, not after 10 days and 20 days. From Monday onwards, we will speak about determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. This determinant concept, this determinant idea is applicable into every branch of maths. A determinant trigonometry में घुसता, calculus में घुसता, coordinate geometry में घुसता, vectors में घुसता, vectors में already घुस गया. I think you know it.
Yes, sir.
A cross B, I, J, K. If A bar is equal to A1 I bar, A2 J bar, A3 K bar, B bar is equal to B1 I bar, B2 J bar, B3 K bar. A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant I bar, J bar, K bar, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Have you read this in physics?
Yes.
हाँ, determinant हर chapter में, हर branch of mathematics में determinant घुस जाता. Even though we say you stop, it won't listen to you. It will ghusafai. It will ghusafai into every branch of maths. Those applications, those details, we will see from Monday. Thank you. Okay then.
Thank
you.
you,
Can I
sir.
clear this off?
Yes, sir.
You can leave for today. See
Thank
you
you,
on
sir.
Monday, same time.
Sir, determinant is coming in exam,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Pardon me?
Is determinants coming in exam?
No. Determinants I didn't give. आज ही डिस्कस करें ना.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay then, bye. सुबह बाल भी ठीक से नहीं करा, क्लास टाइम हो गया.
Thank
Okay
you,
then.
sir. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.